Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing my recent nail mail which I got from various companies. So few of them are the ones which I bought with my own money, and one is a giveaway prize, and one is the one which I got for review. So I just really hope that you guys enjoy the video and really enjoy the things which I bought and got for review. So this is the sneak peek of what I will be sharing with you guys on my YouTube and Instagram channel. So just stay tuned. So this is the very first product which I will be sharing with you guys. This is Born Pretty's nail stamping kit in collaboration with Concat, and there are a few stamping plates and different things inside this box. So I'll be unboxing it in front of you guys. I have already opened this kit, so I'll be keeping these things. So this is such a cute stamper. It just fell down from my hands. This is really a cute stamper. I'll just show how sticky it is. It is white in color and it's super sticky. It's perfect for making decals as well as stamping directly on your hands. And the fact that it comes with a cap makes it really easier for me to, store it without thinking that it will fall down or something. So even if it will fall down, nothing will happen to the stamper head because it is protected with the help of the cap. And it's really cute. I never had such a cute stamper in my collection, so it is a win-win situation for me. Then next, another cute product from Born Pretty. This is the scraper which I got with this kit, and it really looks amazing. I love cute cats which are printed on this scraper. Again, I should say that this is one of the most amazing, cutest products that I own from Born Pretty, and it really looks amazing. So next I have 4 stamping plates. First plate which I'll be showing you is BP and KCL 004. So I'll be sharing the images. See, all the images are really cute, like this nail bottle and this bottle, cute cat, that cute nail polish bottles. These are really amazing. I really love them. So this is Born Pretty and Concat L004. Okay, the next stamping plate is Born Pretty and KC L002. So this is how it looks. Again, all the images are really super cute. And next stamping plate is BP and KCL 001. See, so this stamping plate has some really cool images like the previous ones, but this is really different. I just love the fact that it has few French tip designs as well. So there are so many possibilities with these plates, and I really love these, and I just can't wait to use them. And the next one is BP and KCL003. This is my favorite plate from this collection. It's really amazing and super cute. Born Pretty and Kung Cat L003. I really love every single pattern of this plate. See how cute this is, and then this is so cute. Also, these plates, like these images, are really the ones which I love from this plate. These images, 3 images along with this one, and these cute images, and this Kun Cat and Born Pretty symbol, it is really amazing. So do let me know in the comment section below which plate is your favorite, or which Kun Cat product, so which Born Pretty into Kun Cat product is your favorite. Okay, so next I will be sharing the few Born Pretty watercolor nail painting pens which I got. I will be sharing the pictures of the shades which I bought. So yes, these are the ones which I bought: HI01, HI11, HI07, HI02, HI04, HI03. These are really beautiful. I just opened one of them, and I'm thinking about doing an unboxing video or how to use video which for these pens, because it's really difficult to use them if you don't know anything. Like, at first I thought that these are blooming pens, that's why I bought them. So now I'll be working on them, on different designs which I'll be making using these products, and I'll share them soon with you guys. Next, Born Pretty products which I got for review, or one of them is Nicole Diary 176. Again, this is a beautiful plate. I just love how it looks. There are few images. These images just give a look of the spider gel which we have. Unfortunately, I was unable to clear this out, so it's looking really bad. I'll just clear this stamping plate once with my acetone remover, so that it becomes really easier to see these images. I guess it will be clear to you. Then the next product is Nicole Diary 178. This is my favorite stamping plate because it has geode designs, and see this design. All of these are my favorite. And next one which I'm going to share with you guys is Born Pretty texture. So again, this is the one which has geode stamping nail design, and I just love this one as well as the Nicole Diary one, so I bought both of them so that I can make different designs, I mean really amazing designs, with the help of these plates, because I just loved all the designs. See how, in comparison to, like, if you compare both the stamping plates, this has more geode designs in comparison to this one. But let's see what we can do with this. Then the next stamping plate which I have is Nicole Diary 179. I just chose this design for review because I just love these animal design, these sea world designs. They really look amazing, and I guess it's not clear to you guys. Just wait for a minute. I hope it becomes clear to you. My camera is acting up, I guess. So no problem, I'll be sharing a video or tutorial in which you can see the full design of this stamping plate properly. Again, I have to clear this because it's not that much clear. Next, I bought these silicone tips. So there are different tips for different brushes. Frankly speaking, I really don't know how we have to use this. I really don't know how it is used. I just bought it for carving, for 3D carving gel, but I don't really know how I will be using it. So I'll just Google it, or I'll look up on YouTube that how it has to be used. Next thing which I got is Born Pretty top coat, gel top coat. The next thing which I have is two silicone molds. These are floral molds. I guess you can see the design. Both are floral actually. I'll be using these to make few designs. These are stencils, by the way, kind of stencils, because you just have to fill few nail polish drops inside, and then you have to wait for the nail polish to dry, or you can use gel polishes and then you can cure them under the UV lamp, and then you can just take them out and apply it over your nails. So I'll just see what I'll be doing with these. I'm pretty excited for this product. Next, I have 5 gel products from Born Pretty which I bought. One of them is a black spider gel, and other 4 are sculpting gels. I was really fascinated by the way they looked, and I'll just open one for you guys. I don't know, I guess I haven't opened it yet. Yeah, so here I'll be opening this in front of you guys. See, this is the sculpting gel. Again, my camera is creating a problem. So you can take out some gel from, just remove it. I guess it is acting because of this. So you can transform this into different shapes like this. You can do anything with this, right? So like this, I got 3 sculpting gels, and along with these I bought 1 black spider gel. I haven't used spiral gel till now, and I'm really excited that I will be using it super soon. The next thing which I bought is silver foil for different nail art designs, and these two pots of shells, different colors are there inside this. So I'll just try using them with this product, I guess. Let's see how it turns out today. I'll have to work on the ideas. And the last product is, like, the last brand is El Corazon. This is El Corazon Kaleidoscope Cuticle Defender. I'm thinking about reviewing this on my channel. And few nail decals from El Corazon. So I really hope that you guys like all the products which I shared with you guys. Guys, just stay tuned for the different creations that I will be creating with the help of these products. And I really wish that if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel for more, because I really have so many things which will be coming up on my channel. And let's see. And do let me know which is your favorite product, and if you know, please do tell me where is this product used, because I really don't know how to use it. So it will be really helpful for me if you will help me. So thank you all for watching. Bye, stay tuned.